Today I want to discuss about the alcohol's melting point and boiling points. So today I want to discuss about alcohol's melting point and boiling points. So here the alcohols are called the boiling point of alcohols are always higher than the corresponding ethers and alkyl halides and alkanes due to intermolecular hydrogen bond. So here we have to discuss about the boiling point of the alcohol. So here we have to discuss about the boiling point of alcohol. So here the boiling point of alcohols are always higher than the corresponding alkanes due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So alcohol's boiling point is more. Why? Because due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So hydrogen bonding means what? What is the meaning of hydrogen bonding? Hydrogen bonding means of what? Hydrogen and this hydrogen is bonded with highly electronegative atom. Highly electronegative atom means what? Highly electronegative atom means is called as oxygen or nitrogen or fluorine or chlorine. So then it is called as what? Hydrogen bonding. So here the hydrogen bonding is called as what? This is called intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding means what? Here alcohols are reacted with here. So you have to see here ROH is there. Here ROH is there. So here ROH is between the alkyl here O and H. Here oxygen, highly electronegative atom of oxygen is reacted with highly electronegative atom of oxygen is reacted with hydrogen atom. So in between these OH bond is there. So there is a hydrogen bond is there O and H. So that's why the boiling point of alcohols are always higher than the corresponding ethers and alkyl halides. Ethers and alkyl halides due to their intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So here this is the example of alcohols. In between alcohol here intermolecular hydrogen bonding is there. Next now we have to see the boiling points. Lower members of alcohols are low boiling points with a spiritual order and a burning taste. With increase in molecular weight, the boiling point increases and they become high boiling liquids or resulting solids. So among isomers of given alcohols, boiling points decreases as the carbon chain becomes increases. Increases and more branching. So here lower members of alcohols are low boiling points. So lower members of alcohols are low boiling points. Low boiling points means what here? Lower members of alcohols are low boiling points with a spirituous order and a burning state. With increase in molecular weight, the boiling point increases and they become high with high boiling points or melting points. Among isomers of given alcohols, boiling point decreases as the carbon chain becomes more and more branches. So here you have to see here as the boiling point of alcohols. Here the boiling point of alcohol here, if you have to see here N alcohol. Here N means what? Normal. Here what is the meaning of the normal? Normal alcohol means what here? All are state chain arranged. All alcohols are arranged in a state chain manner. It is called N alcohol. So here N alcohol, for example, you have to see here N-butyl alcohol. So here the N-butyl alcohol is, what is the boiling point? N-butyl alcohol is 117.7 degrees centigrade. Now we have to see here the branched alcohol of N-butyl alcohol is the secondary butyl alcohol. Here the secondary butyl alcohol is how much boiling point? 99.5 degrees centigrade. And here the tertiary butyl alcohol is boiling point is how much? 82.5 degrees centigrade. So here there are hydrogen bonds between alcohol molecules. Alcohol is therefore an associated liquid. Alcohol is therefore an associated liquids of ongoing to molecular association. Alcohols having boiling points which are higher than those of alkanes. Alkanes ethers of the same molecular weight. Alcohols are there are hydrogen bonds between alcohol molecules. Alcohols is therefore an associated liquids. Owing to molecular association, alcohols have boiling points which are higher than those of alkanes. ethers have the same molecular weight. So compounds is there. So compound is called propane. So is a propane means what? Here propane, you have to see here. The propane is boiling point. Propane is how much? The boiling point of propane is minus 45 degrees centigrade. Next methyl ether plus 0.5 degrees centigrade. And next ethyl alcohol is how much? Ethyl alcohol is plus 78 degrees centigrade. Next the solubility. To first three alcohols are freely soluble in water. So here now we have to discussing about the solubility. Here what is the meaning of the solubility? Here the solubility means what? Here the solubility means where which the alcohols are dissolved. The compounds it is called as the solubility. So the first three alcohols are freely soluble in water. With increase in the size of the alkyl group, solubility diminishes. First three alcohols are soluble in water. Methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol and propyl alcohol. These are very easily soluble, freely soluble in water. With increase in the size of the alkyl group, so here solubility diminishes. Solubility diminishes means what? Here low solubility. For instance, N-hexyl alcohol is only 1% soluble in water. Only here N-hexyl alcohol means N-hexyl alcohol is only 1% soluble in water. There is possibility of hydrogen bonds between the OH group of alcohol and that of water. Right. So here NH group, for instance, N-hexyl alcohol is 1% soluble in water. So there is a possibility of hydrogen bonds between the OH group of an alcohol and that of water. This kind of co-association of molecules is responsible for the free solubility of lower alcohols. This kind of co-association means what? This kind of co-association of molecule is responsible for the free solubility of lower alcohols. An alkyl group, however, resists the molecule going into solution. So the decrease in the solubility with increase in the size of the alkyl group the decrease in solubility with increase in the size of the alkyl group can therefore be easily understood. So here what is my think is what? Lower alcohols. Here lower alcohols are very very more soluble means methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol and also propyl alcohols they are more soluble in water. Methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohols are also more soluble in water. Then higher alcohols are not soluble in the water. So why the lower alcohols are soluble in the water means what? So here why the lower alcohols are soluble in the water means what? Here the lower alcohols contains the hydrogen bonding. Here the lower alcohols containing the hydrogen bonding. So due to this hydrogen bonding, so here the lower alcohols are soluble in water. Okay. Next, so these are the solubility nature of the alcohols, and now we have to discuss about the physical properties, and now I am going to discuss about the chemical properties of alcohols. So here the chemical properties of alcohol. Now we have to discuss about the chemical properties of alcohol. Here the reaction with sodium. Here electropositive metals like sodium, potassium, calcium and magnesium react with alcohols, forming alkoxide with the liberation of hydrogen gas. So here whenever the alcohols are reacted with reaction with sodium, so here the electropositive metals like sodium, potassium, calcium and magnesium react with alcohols, forming alkoxide with the reaction of hydrogen gas. Here alcohol, for example, here ethyl alcohol is there, it is treated with sodium. What happens here? Sodium with oxide there. ethyl alcohol on reaction with sodium and forms sodium ethoxide and liberation of hydrogen gas. Here also sodium ethoxide. Next here the methyl alcohol. So here we have to see here this is the methyl alcohol. So here also methyl alcohol is reacts with sodium and forms sodium methoxide. Here forms sodium methoxide. Next here also the isopropyl alcohol or tertiary butyl alcohol is react with sodium and forms sodium tertiary betaxide. Sodium citrate. So here in this means what happens? Here the electropositive metals like sodium, potassium, calcium and magnesium react with alcohols forming alkoxide ion with the liberation of hydrogen gas. From alkoxide ion and with the liberation of hydrogen gas. So this is called as what? So here with the liberation of hydrogen gas, what happens is alcohols are formed. Sodium alkoxides are formed. Alkoxides are also formed and alkoxide ions also forms. And here the liberation of what? Hydrogen gas. So this is the forms of. So this is the reactivity of alcohols. So here this is the reactivity of alcohols. So now we have to see here this is the liberation of alcohols. So now we have to see this is the reactions of alcohols here. This is the now here the reactions of the alcohols. So now we have to discuss about the reaction with alcohols are weak acids. The acidic nature and hence the case of liberation of hydrogen gas, various alcohols in the order. Next here the reaction with zinc chloride or HX. HX are reaction with the zinc chloride. What happens here means what? Alcohols here the reaction with HX and zinc chloride. Alcohols are treated with zinc chloride. Alcohols react with halogen atom acids to form alkyl halides and water. Alcohols are react with halogen acids to form alkyl halide. Alkyl halide means what? Ethyl chloride or propyl chloride. This is called as the alcohols are reacted with alkyl halide and forms alcohols are react with hydrogen halide and forms alkyl halides. Next here the primary alcohols and secondary alcohols forms alkyl chloride and passing hydrochloric acid gas in presence of hydrogen chloride. So this is called as here the primary alcohol and secondary alcohol is treated with HCl and forms alkyl halides, and here also plus water. Primary and secondary alcohols forms alkyl chloride on passing hydrochloric acid gas in presence of hydrogen chloride. Next here the tertiary alcohols react with hydrochloric acid even at room temperature is also. So here any alcohols is treated with hydrogen chloride or HX hydrochloric acid and forms alkyl halides. Now here this is the mechanism is there. So this mechanism is very very important in this alcohols and reaction with hydrogen halides. So here first formation of protonated alcohol. The reaction of alcohols with halogen acids forming alkyl halides is believed to take place as follows. So alcohol is treated with hydrogen halide and forms here the protonated alcohol. Protonated alcohol means what? So here if you have to see here, this is the protonated alcohol. Alcohols are treated with hydrogen halide. Here H is treated with oxygen and it is called as the protonated alcohol. Formation of carbonium ion. So here the protonated alcohol forms in the first step, loses a water molecule to form the carbonium ion. The formation of the intermediate carbonium ion is the slow rate determining step. Formation of carbonium ion is slow rate determining step. Slow rate determining step is the formation of carbonium ion. Slow rate determining step, formation of carbon. Next, alkyl halide attacked by halide ion. Here the negatively charged halide ion. The negatively charged halide ion attacks the intermediate carbonium ion to form alkyl halide. The negatively charged halide ion attacks the intermediate carbonium ion to form alkyl halides. So here this is the mechanism. So here this is the mechanism of the of the reacted with alcohol. So alcohols are treated with the protonated alcohol. First step is what? First step is called as what? The reaction of alcohols with halogen acid forming alkyl halide is believed to take follows. So this is next formation of carbonamide. The protonated alcohol formed in the first step loses a water molecule to form the carbonium ion. The formation of intermediate carbonium ion is the slow rate determining step. Next, attack by halide ion. So here the negatively charged halide ion attack the intermediate carbonium ion to form alkyl halides. Intermediate forms alkyl halides. So here this is called as the alkyl halides. This is called as the alkyl halide. Next here this is called as the alkyl halide. Next here this is called as what the next here this is called as the esterification reaction. So this is a very important reaction, esterification. Esterification means what? Alcohols and reaction with carboxylic acids and forms ester. So action with organic acids with carboxylic group. So alcohols react with carboxylic acids in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form esters. The process is called as what? Esterification. The process is called as esterification. Alcohols react with carboxylic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form esters. So the process is called esterification. So this is you have to take any alcohol. Here ethyl alcohol plus acetic acid, you have to forms ethyl acetate. So this is called ester. So here the formation of ester is called esterification under. Formation of ester is called esterification. Formation of ester is called esterification. So this is the acid. So this is called acid. Next with acid chlorides. Alcohols react with acid chlorides to give excellent yields of esters. Acid chlorides means what? Acid chlorides plus alcohol plus ester is called as ester chloride. This is the mechanism. Acid chlorides plus ethyl alcohol plus is treated with water. So here this is ester chloride treated with ethyl alcohol, oxygen containing 2 lone pairs of electrons. So here one lone pair of electron is reacted with this carbon and forms here oxygen containing positive charge here. So this oxygen containing positive charge here reacted with OH and this chlorine liberation takes place. In minus H plus it is called ethyl acetate. So this is the formation of what? So alcohols react with acid chlorides to give excellent yields of esters. So this is called this mainly thing is esterification means what? What is the meaning of the ester means what? Ester the formula of ester is what? RCOR. You have to take alcohols. Alcohols are again treated with alcohols treated with acids or acid chloride. Alcohols treated with acid or acid chloride and forms esters. Ester means what? RCOR is called as ester under. RCOR is called as ester. Esterification means what? Alcohols and reaction with acids acid chlorides and they forms the esters. So this is called as esterification, and then it is formed the ester and what is in under. So here in this way, so ester is the very important point. So esterification is a very important point. So ester is from alcohols and reaction with acids acid chloride so whenever it is treated with acid or acid chloride and forms form it is treated with acid or acid chloride, alcohols and treated with acid and acid chloride forms what? Ester ni manaki ikkada form chestam. Acid and acid chloride presence now then it is forms for the ester. So today we have discussed about the Today we are to discuss about the physical properties of the alcohols and also the chemical properties of alcohols means what? Reaction with hydrogen, reaction with the sodium metals, and reaction with the hydrogen halide, and reaction with the HX. HX means what? Esterification reaction. So today this is the reaction. Today this is the reaction of this compound.